Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to convert our previous REST API database integration example into the routing. So let's start. So this is my application, and in this application app.js file, I'm writing everything, sir, but it is not suggestible. So if you don't see my previous REST API example as well as routing basic example, please go through that example first. Okay. Let's start. The first step, create a separate JS file. What is separate router folder? What is the router folder I am creating? Routes. In this one, I am creating the file name as student.js. Very simple. You already know how you are going to do. Let router equal to require. What we require, sir? Express. Okay, I load the framework. In this one, I want the router. Sir, I have the router. Now, module.exports equal to router. So in between, we need to register all our request handling methods. So I'm just removing all the student related logic from this thing. So simply I'm loading here. Now in this one, you need to see, we need to register our request methods on the router. So you can see all our methods are registered on the router. Now I need to, in this one, in the student.js, I need to communicate with the database. That is why I'm removing all the database related logic also in our application. So simply remove everything from that one. So right now, observe here, sir, in the student only we have what logic? Student related logic only, nothing much, sir. Now, in the app.js, which is common for all the routes. So right now we need to register our route here. Observe either where is possible or anything is possible. Student router equal to require. Observe dot slash route slash student. So I loaded the student router. Next step, what is the next step, sir? App.use. What is the URL prefix I am giving for this one? Students, comma. What is the router, sir? Student. So right now, each and every request will come to the app.js. If the request URL starts with the students, all the request will be redirected to the this student.js file. How beautiful it is. Now, tell me, sir, all our student code will be available in the student. Likewise, all your functionalities code will be available in separate functional files or separate JS files so that my application can be developed parallelly, can test parallelly and within less time. That is why that is the single most reason we need to go with what's sir? Routers, a routing application, implementing the routing in our application. So this is the way we can convert our single JS file to the multiple JS files. So in general, in the projects, we are going to do in this way. So practice this example also, understand this example and let me know your comments in the comment section. Thank you guys.